Hello, this is my 6th VGSF video and hopefully one of the more straightforward ones. Starting off with quite a few Andre Nortons. So the first one, Starman's Son. Werehawk, which is a Witch World novel. And Stargate. And then I have an 8-book series. I don't know whether this series is in the same order as people accept to be in the correct order for Witch World. Anyway, here I go. Starting with number 1, Witch World. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Fortunately, a slightly faded logo there. This is always a problem with reds and yellows. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. Sorry, I went through them fairly quickly and I haven't said what the titles were for each of those. Carrying on, Frederick Pohl, Pole Stars, Narra Bedler Limited, Homegoing, The Coming of the Quantum Cats, and that's it for Fred Pohl. Then the one Terry Pratchett, Faust, struck out Eric. This is a first printing, which is the most common and easiest to find, but it actually went to all the way up to a 10th printing, if I remember correctly. So the most reprinted of all the VGSF paperbacks. Next, Michael Reeves and Steve Perry, Dome. Next, Keith Roberts, Pavan. We go on to Michael Scott Rohan, and there are a few, three actually. Cloud Castles, the Lord of Middle Air, I'm just going to see if that makes some difference to the reflection. And the last one, Michael Scott Rohan, the Gates of Noon. And then I get on to Fred Saberhagen. Berserker Blue Death. Berserker's Planet. Berserker Man. Berserker Base. And you can, it's a collaboration, you can see there the other authors. I'm not going to read them all out. Brother Berserker. And Berserker, the Ultimate Enemy. So 6 Berserker books by Fred Saberhagen. Carrying on. I've struggled to get a perfect copy of this. The Witches of Carys. This one's got some spine creases, so not the best copy. That's by James Schmitz. Then a few by Melissa Scott. 5/12 of Heaven. The Empress of Earth. The Kindly Ones. Silence in Solitude. And then we go on to Bob Shaw, and those will be the last ones for this video. Who Goes Here? And I am hoping let me just take us, well, I'll go through the rest and then come back to that. Ship of Strangers. Medusa's Children. The Shadow of Heaven. Night Walk. Terminal Velocity. This is what I was looking for earlier, which I think was the sequel to Who Goes Here. Bob Shaw Warren Peace Dimensions. And that is it for this group. So I rattled through those fairly quickly this time. Paul Cooper signing off.